Ribeye. This is the new fillet. It's a chef's dream. It's got this wonderful casing of fat separating the chain and the ribeye. So as it cooks, this fat just imparts more and more flavour. It just melts in your mouth. Delicious.
Wrap.
Nice and tight. Set that in the fridge, and when I come to cut my portions, they're exact, they're the same size, and more importantly, I haven't wasted anything. Fridge. Artichokes. Look, they're nice and firm. They've got this really nice sort of celeriac stroke nutty flavour to them. This time of year, perfect. Yeah. Cut off the stalks.
Remove leaves.
You know when to stop, when you start seeing that really nice, light, coloured leaf inside. Take your knife and then just peel down through the stalk. Now, that's your artichoke, prepped.
Lemon.
That stops them from oxidising, basically going brown. And just cut them in half. Look at that. That's the beautiful celebration of spring.
Water. Lemons. Salt. White wine vinegar. Pepper. Olive oil.
Watch. Let the knife do the work, and look at that. That is beautiful.
Hot pan.
Cooking the ribeye, you've got to be quick.
Olive oil. Salt. Pepper.
Get all that seasoning soaking up. Now look at that, beautiful.
Garlic. Crush. Rosemary.
Into the pan. That's the noise you want to hear, that sizzling. If you haven't got that, get it back out of the pan. Look at that colour there. Absolutely phenomenal.
Butter.
And this is where it starts to take the steak to a different level. This butter is really bringing out the texture and the flavour of the meat. Out onto a plate and just leave it to rest.
Griddle. Olive oil.
Take out your artichokes. Salt and pepper. Into the griddle pan. Perfect. Turn them over. Artichokes off.
Carve.
And that is a dream come true.
Ribeye of beef. Griddled artichokes. Done.